Explorer USA, and here's our home that we're dropping off for who knows how long. Just got up on the roof. We had to here, I'll show you real quick the major reason we're here. So this guy right here, stress fracture, just got it when we first started traveling. It's gotten a little worse, so we were trying to get it done in Florida, but they weren't going to be able to work on it until September. So yeah, so Rox and I are getting ready to Airbnb, check out Austin for a few days, and yeah, kind of sucks, but at the end of the day, it is what it is, and you got to do what you got to do, roll with the punches, go with the flow, and bye for now. Bye home, we'll miss you. Oh wait, look at Roxanne. She's got all, she's on the phone, but she's got all the groceries.
So 50, that would increase the policy by 70.
Anyway, all right, bye for now.